Do you need extremely precise positioning for your laser marking application? The new Super Pointer module from LNA Laser allows you to do just that. The problem with standard fiber laser alignment beams on the market is that the red aiming beam spot size is much larger than the actual laser spot size at the focal point. This means there is a blurry alignment beam compared to the sharp actual focus of the laser, which can result in the position of the red aiming beam to be not perfectly aligned with the desired marking location. For applications on small parts or requiring very precise positioning, this can not only be difficult, but also time-consuming. The LNA Super Pointer solves this dilemma. The assembly is bolted between the fiber laser mounting bracket and Galvo scanning head. It incorporates a high-resolution laser diode and is factory-aligned to precisely indicate where the actual fiber laser beam will focus with greater than 5 times accuracy over standard systems. The LNA Super Pointer also incorporates a real-time power monitor. This feature is vital for applications where the process is vulnerable to fluctuations in laser power or simply for periodic power validation, preventive maintenance, and troubleshooting. The LNA Super Pointer can be ordered as an option for new laser systems or can even be retrofitted to LNA LASF fiber laser marking systems in the field. Contact us today for a free evaluation of your application. Visit lnalaser.com to learn more about our products to meet your manufacturing needs. Thank you.